So moving from project management system to the task management, let's agree in that. Today, we are receiving information from multiple sources. So we are receiving information from emails, we are receiving tasks, for example, through SMS, through WhatsApp sometimes. So a lot of sources to receive the task. So if you are using Outlook, yes, it's good, but maybe you are receiving the task from somewhere else. So, even me, sometimes I'm thinking that, yeah, I received that task, but I couldn't remember from where did I receive this information. Did I receive it from email? Did I receive it from WhatsApp? Because we are using today the mobile application to communicate in daily basis. So, and in that case, the problem is that you will not have a central place to organize all of your tasks. And again, multiple sources, and you are not putting all of the tasks into one place. And will not get a lot of focus from you to keep focus in what you need to do. So sometimes you are in an urgent task, and then you are going to another task while leaving this task, and then you forget, hey, what was the task that I was working on? And managing tasks means managing time. And managing tasks means managing priorities. And managing tasks means managing workload. And this is always will keep you focused and will increase the productivity while staying the schedule. And the most important reason of managing the task is it's the great source of the KPIs and analytics. So if, for example, I'm a manager and I need to understand which one of the team should giving a good appraisal, for example, for this month. Not only for recognizing a person in my team, but also to understand who should be I'm working with to give him a training or to give him more skills to do the job more effectively. So if you are managing a task with a task management system, you will be able to stay focused in what you need to do. You will be able to schedule that inside of your calendar, so you can have a day or maybe an hour by hour a task overview, and this is going to give you a better view of your workload, and all of that should be in one place, one source of truth. In managing tasks using SOLIDWORKS Manage, it's having a better even benefits than the usual one, which means that you can assign tasks for documents, so any type of documents that you can assign tasks for, and this is one of the differentiator between SOLIDWORKS PDM and SOLIDWORKS Manage. So in SOLIDWORKS PDM, for example, you cannot assign tasks. Or maybe, yes, you can, but you have to tweak it a little bit. There is a workaround to do this. But with SOLIDWORKS Manage, yes, you can assign tasks according to a document, any type of document. And also you can assign tasks within the process, you can assign tasks within the projects, and even you can assign tasks with the bill of material. So let's see that in action. So once I'm logged into the system, I will have a dashboard telling me that all of these tasks that has been assigned to me, and within these tasks, I will be having a better overview about what the progress of the task, or maybe which one has been finished. And to assign a task within the process, it's a user interface, very simple. You just need to type in the subject, allocate the time, assign a person to that task. It's going to be the same exactly user interface while doing that inside of projects. So you can add not only locating and assigning a person, but you can add notes, and also you can add task details. And again, within the task, you can assign SOLIDWORKS documents or maybe non-CAD documents. So in this example, I'm assigning a simulation task to one of my team member that, hey, you need to do, according to this procedure, a simulation on that particular CAD file. So he will get all the information needed to start that type of task. And again, once I'm logged into the system, I will be able to see all of my tasks. I can revert back to the document that being assigned the task accordingly. And yes, it's managed by files. And also, there is a very good capabilities inside of SOLIDWORKS Manage that you can have a template of tasks. So instead of each and every time I'm assigning a task, typing the information, I can create it as a template. So and each and every time I'm creating a simulate task, so I will save it as a template, and the next time I will just need to click that, yes, I need to create a simulation type of tasks.